Imagine holding the sky in your hands, capturing breathtaking moments from angles you never thought possible. Mini drones open a world of adventure, freedom, and creativity, letting you explore, record, and share your experiences like never before. Perfect for thrill seekers and dreamers alike, these tiny marvels transform ordinary days into unforgettable memories, sparking joy and excitement with every flight. Number 1. Scrubuz 66 Hong Kong Dollars Drone. The Scrubuz 66 Hong Kong Dollars Drone brings the thrill of flight and the joy of discovery into the hands of every adventurer. Flying it feels like unlocking new perspectives, letting users capture moments from above with clarity and precision. Its lightweight and foldable design invites spontaneous journeys, making it effortless to carry on hikes, road trips, or family outings. The ability to explore open skies creates a sense of freedom, inspiring creativity and excitement with every flight. Each journey with this drone becomes a story, where memories are preserved in vibrant detail and shared with friends and family. The intuitive controls allow beginners to gain confidence while feeling in command, while experienced flyers experience the satisfaction of smooth, responsive handling. Multiple batteries extend the adventure, ensuring longer sessions without interruption. Navigating landscapes, exploring hidden spots, or simply enjoying the sensation of flight evokes emotion and wonder, transforming ordinary days into unforgettable experiences. The immersive aerial perspective encourages exploration and inspires curiosity, making each moment feel significant. This drone turns everyday surroundings into extraordinary scenes, allowing users to see the world differently and feel connected to their environment. It is more than a device, it is a companion for creativity, excitement, and adventure. Flying it evokes pride, exhilaration, and a sense of achievement, compelling anyone who experiences it to continue seeking new horizons. The Scrubuz 66 Hong Kong Dollars Drone becomes a tool for exploration, a source of joy, and a way to capture and relive unforgettable memories in every adventure. Number 2. HOFMOC HM01 Drone. The HOFMOC HM01 drone transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary adventures, offering a sense of freedom and excitement that captures the imagination. Flying it feels like gliding through open skies, where every turn reveals a new perspective and every journey creates lasting memories. Its compact and foldable design encourages spontaneous exploration, allowing users to carry it effortlessly on trips, hikes, or outdoor gatherings. Each flight becomes a personal adventure, filled with joy and discovery, inspiring creativity and the desire to capture unforgettable scenes from above. The intuitive controls make it approachable for beginners, fostering confidence while delivering smooth, responsive performance for those seeking precision and control. The drone sparks curiosity, inviting users to explore surroundings they might otherwise overlook, turning familiar places into exciting landscapes. Extended flight opportunities allow for longer sessions of exploration, where moments of wonder and exhilaration can be savored without interruption. It evokes a sense of pride and accomplishment as users master its navigation and experience the thrill of aerial movement. Every journey with this drone feels immersive, connecting the flyer to nature, landscapes, and the beauty of their environment in ways that ground-level experiences cannot match. It becomes more than a device, acting as a companion for adventure, fun, and creativity. The HOFMOC HM01 drone encourages emotional engagement, transforming flights into stories that can be relived and shared, leaving lasting impressions on both the user and everyone who witnesses its aerial magic. Number 3. LAHEYI Digital Display Drone. The LAHEYI Digital Display Drone invites users to experience the sky like never before, turning ordinary moments into exhilarating adventures. Every flight offers a sense of liberation, inspiring curiosity and excitement as landscapes unfold from new perspectives. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it effortless to take along on journeys, hikes, or outdoor escapades, allowing spontaneous exploration at any moment. Gliding through open air creates feelings of freedom and wonder, making even familiar surroundings feel extraordinary and alive. Each journey evokes emotion, whether capturing breathtaking scenery or enjoying the sheer thrill of flight, transforming simple experiences into cherished memories. The responsive controls allow beginners to feel confident while encouraging skilled flyers to push boundaries, providing a perfect balance of ease and control. Extended flight sessions let users immerse themselves in adventure, where moments of discovery and exhilaration can be savored fully. It sparks creativity, motivating users to see the world differently and capture stunning aerial images that reflect their perspective. Flying this drone creates pride and satisfaction, as each maneuver and successful flight reinforces a sense of achievement. It becomes more than a gadget, acting as a companion for exploration, fun, and storytelling, inspiring connection with nature and the environment. Every flight carries emotional value, transforming ordinary days into remarkable adventures that can be relived and shared. The LAHEYI digital display drone elevates outdoor activities, turning the simple act of flying into a source of joy, inspiration, and unforgettable memories for anyone who experiences it. Number 4. PLEGBLE PL516 Drone. The PLEGBLE PL516 drone transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary adventures, bringing the sky closer to everyone who dreams of flight. Each journey with this drone feels magical, offering a sense of freedom and excitement that inspires exploration and creativity. Carrying it to parks, outdoor gatherings, or weekend trips sparks anticipation, as every flight becomes an opportunity to discover new perspectives and capture memories from above. The foldable design invites spontaneous adventures, making it simple to take along whenever inspiration strikes. Navigating through the air evokes joy and exhilaration, turning simple landscapes into breathtaking scenes and ordinary days into unforgettable experiences. Beginners feel encouraged and confident as they control each movement, while more experienced users enjoy the satisfaction of mastering smooth and responsive flights. Extended flight possibilities allow moments of wonder and immersion, where users can enjoy the sensation of soaring through the sky without interruptions. Flying this drone creates a connection with the environment, allowing users to see the world from angles that awaken curiosity and admiration. Each experience carries emotion, pride, and a sense of achievement as users capture stunning aerial views that tell unique stories. This drone becomes a companion for adventure and imagination, transforming recreational time into journeys filled with excitement and creativity. The PLEGBLE PL516 drone invites everyone to experience the thrill of flight, to explore new horizons, and to relive moments of joy and discovery that linger long after the drone has landed, making every adventure truly memorable. Number 5. WF30 GPS Drone. The WF30 GPS Follow Me drone invites users to experience the world from an entirely new perspective, turning simple moments into exhilarating adventures. Every flight feels like a journey of discovery, where familiar landscapes transform into breathtaking vistas and ordinary surroundings become extraordinary. Carrying it to parks, trips, or outdoor gatherings creates anticipation and excitement, as each takeoff promises unforgettable experiences from above. Its foldable design makes it effortless to bring along on spontaneous adventures, encouraging exploration at any moment. Flying evokes a sense of freedom and wonder, inspiring creativity and capturing memories that feel alive and vibrant. Beginners gain confidence with each maneuver, while those with more experience enjoy the thrill of responsive control and precision in the air. Extended flight opportunities allow users to immerse themselves fully, exploring skies and scenery without interruption, making every moment memorable. This drone sparks curiosity and encourages users to see the world differently, offering an emotional connection to nature and their surroundings. The experience of guiding it through the air brings pride, excitement, and a deep sense of achievement, as every journey becomes a story worth remembering. Multiple batteries extend adventures, ensuring longer sessions of flight, discovery, and fun. Capturing stunning aerial views creates a lasting impression, allowing users to relive and share their experiences with friends and family. The WF30 GPS Follow Me drone transforms outdoor time into thrilling exploration, turning curiosity into adventure and ordinary moments into memories that linger far beyond the flight.